In order to create an interactive 360 project, start by uploading your assets into the AR Media Platform's Asset Manager. In this case, we'll use a 360 degrees photo, an audio clip, and a button. Move to the Projects area, and create a new planar project. Add a thumbnail. It is a mandatory requirement. Create a new experience. Create a 360 scene. Edit the scene by adding your 360 image. Next, add one or more buttons. Add the media file you want to enable by pressing the button. Access the Behaviors Manager, and create the desired user interaction, by connecting events to actions, using the arrows. When you're done editing the scene, save it. Finally, you can visualize your project on mobile, using the AR Media Player.